Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to move a Smartsheet to a workspace. This is a useful organizational feature that helps you keep your sheets organized in the right workspaces, making collaboration and project management much more efficient. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the sheets you want to move, as this process requires proper permissions. After logging in, you'll land on your Smartsheet homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a side panel with various navigation options. This panel is your control center for accessing all your sheets, workspaces, and projects. Go ahead and click on Browse in this left side panel. This action will open up a comprehensive view of your organizational structure within Smartsheet. Once you click Browse, you'll see a display of all your workspaces and projects. This view gives you a bird's-eye perspective of how your sheets are currently organized across different workspaces. It's similar to looking at folders and files on your computer, but specifically designed for managing your Smartsheet content. Take a moment to locate the workspace that currently contains the sheet you want to move. This might take a bit of scrolling if you have multiple workspaces, but the Browse feature makes it easy to see everything at once. Now comes the important part. Select the workspace that contains the sheet you want to relocate. Click on it to expand and see all the sheets within that workspace. This is where you'll identify the specific Smartsheet you want to move to a different workspace. Once you've located it, you'll notice that Smartsheet has built in a very intuitive drag-and-drop functionality for this exact purpose. Here's where the magic happens. All you need to do is click and hold on the Smartsheet you want to move, then drag it over to the destination workspace where you want it to live. As you drag, you'll see visual indicators showing where the sheet will land. This drag and drop method is incredibly straightforward and mimics how you'd move files between folders on your desktop. Once you've positioned your sheet over the new workspace, release your mouse button to drop it there. After you've dropped the sheet into its new workspace, a confirmation dialog will appear. This is Smartsheet's way of making sure you really want to complete this action. As moving sheets can affect sharing permissions and workspace organization, simply click OK to confirm the move. Give it a moment to process, as Smartsheet needs to update the location and adjust any related permissions or settings. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Smartsheet to a different workspace, keeping your projects organized exactly how you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.